I am going to write it in other brackets. There are you can change the sign to diamond by adding these brackets. So check switch if power plug in. Then there must be two options that it is plug-in or it is not plug-in. So if it is plug-in, then I will end it. It is not plug-in, then I will plug it in, and otherwise I will check my AC port plug-in. So what will I do? Actually, P is going to repeat, so I will give this name P1. So I will continue P1 and then check. I will write no. If it is not plug-in, then what to do? I will write here no, and then if it is like this, then then I will write plug it in. I am going to write here plug it in, and I will write P2 plug. So this if it is not plugged in, then I will plug it in, and it will end here. So P2, I'm going to end P2, and as E is also going to repeat next, so I will write here E1 as end. So you can see here it is ended. So what if it is already plugged in and there is problem with AC port? So what will I do? I will write here. I will again continue from P1. So another arrow go from here. So I will write here P1. I will continue P1 and write here the text after arrow. Yes, this is my text, and this after I will write here that AC port plugin. Check. I will check if my AC port is plugin or not. So I am again. This is also a decision point. So I will write in the same brackets. So for example, I will write here this A, and I am going to use other brackets AC port plugin, and I am going to close the bracket. So you can check here another decision point is added. So I will check this, and then if there is no, it means that if it is not plugged, then I will plug it in. So I am going to continue A, and then I will write here P3 because I have this is also starting from P. It means plug it in if it is not plug in. But first I need to write here no, that if it is not plug in. If it is yes, then AC port plug in, and if it is no,